Hello everyone, welcome back to Algozen. In today's class, we are going to learn three very important topics. First is what is an input function, then comments, then type conversion. These are basics, but they are super useful and we will use them in almost every Python program. So let's start step by step. First is what is an input function? An input function is a function that takes data from the user during program execution. Input function always return the data as a string. We can receive input from the user by calling the input function. Actually, an input function is used to take data from the user while the program is running. In Python, the input function always return the data as a string. Remember this point. Input function always return the data as a string. Okay, I show you. Input function. So like name. Name is a variable. So name equal to input. What's your name? Very simple question. Then print name. So you can see name is a variable. Here I use the input function. So the system asks the user, what's your name? And when the user types something, Python stores it inside the variable. Here the variable is name. So we need to print the variable, right? So print name. So here I write hi, hi, name. Okay, because name is a string, right? So that's why I use the plus sign, concatenation. And any string, here the string is inside the variable. Otherwise, if we want to print any string or the write anything, string should be written inside a inverted comma. If it's an integer, then we don't need the inverted comma. Okay, so let's take an example. If the user write the name John, then the output will be hi John. Okay, run the code. What's your name? I write Tom. Hi Tom. Here, if I space, then enter. What's your name? Tom. Enter. Hi, Tom. Understood? Okay, name. Okay, the same format. Input function always return data as a string, right? If we want to modify the data into int, then how can we convert them into int? I will teach you in the type of conversion. Now go to what is comments. We use comments to add notes to our code that should be reflected in the code itself. Use comment to add reminder to yourself or other developers or also explain our assumption. Basically, comments are used to give extra information to other developers about the code. Comments are not executed. Python simply ignores them. In Python, we use the hashtag symbol to write a comment. Anything written after hashtag symbol is ignored by Python. Okay, I show you. This is the basic thing. Okay, here I use the comment. Here input function asks the user what's your name and store the value inside name. Okay, or name variable. You see the hashtag symbol. So it's a it's a what? It's a comment. So when I run the code, what's your name? Tom. Hi Tom. Because it's not executed. The comments won't be executed. Then go back to our document. The next topic is type conversion. As I mentioned earlier, input function always returns data as a string. So here we convert string data to integer or any data type according to our requirement. Okay, right. So you age equal to input, okay, enter your age, okay, then print age. Not age is a variable. Here we run the input function, ask the user enter your age. When the user enter the value, Python stores it inside the age variable. Now we print the age. Then we print the age, right? Run the code, enter your age 23. Enter 23. Everything is looks clear. Looks good, right? No. Here 23 is not a integer value, it's a string value. I'll show you. Let's take, okay, print age, right? Then after 2 years, age equal to age plus 2, right? Print age, then run. Okay, enter your age. Enter age is 23. Enter. It's one error. Like enter your age 23. Print age, print, because it's a string, right? Here when we wants to do the mathematical like addition, subtraction, anything, then it's one error. Age equal to age plus 2. So string plus 2 can't be happen. So first we need to convert them into integer. So here we use int, then this. Okay, so now the string converted to int. When we run the code, you can see enter your age 23. Enter. It's 23. Print age 23. Age equal to after 2 years, because it's the comment, right? So comment not executed. So age equal to age plus 2. Print age. So 25. Go back to our document, the birth year section. Okay, I'll do that also. Birth year equal to int input, enter your birth year. Okay, then age equal to current year minus next current year also from the user. Current year equal to copy, then paste into input, enter current year, current, current year, age equal to current year minus birth year, right? If you want our how to calculate our age, current year minus our birth year, right? Age current year minus birth year, then print your age. Okay, so here this is a string. Here we want to add the integer value, so here we don't use the plus sign, here we use the comma sign. Age. Okay, run the code. Birth year 2001. Enter your current year 2025. So your age 24. Okay, very simple. Then what is this? Okay, it's in practice question. Take input name, location, birth year, and gender. We want four input from the user, and print like hi name, welcome to the location, you are blah blah blah. Okay, that's very simple. You can try yourself also. I'll do that also. Okay. So we need four things: name, location, birth year, and gender. So go there. Name, sorry, name, location equal to birth year equal to name, location, birth year, and gender, right? Gender. No. Name, location, how, birth year, and gender. That's it. So, name equal to Tom, location equal to LA, birth year equal to 2001, gender equal to male. Fine. So, now what we want to print? We want to print hi name, welcome to the location, welcome to location, and you are x years old, and gender. Here we need to put the name here, location here, birth year equal to current year minus the birth year. So here we get our age, the x year old, and print the gender. It's very simple, just copy that. Okay, then go to the pie chart, then print in inverted comma. That's it. Okay. Fine. Hi name. So there is a in string there is another method which is called formatted string. So here we don't need to comma or plus sign like this. Hi, we have name. So name, welcome to the location, and you are like 2025 minus birth year. Okay, fine. And old and gender. For gender also this. I teach you how to do that. I mean, what's the formatted string is in the string section, maybe in the next class. So run the code. Hi Tom, welcome to LA, and you are 24-year old and male. That's it. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Practice this concept two or three times so you don't forget them. If any part is confusing, watch the video again, and if you still have doubts, just comment below. I will definitely help you out.